Hello everybody, I'm Luis. In this video let's talk about progress bar in Revit. I create a package so I can easily add this progress bar in here in Revit, so I can make it simple to the user, to the developer, to show a progress bar depending on what you are doing or not. And you can have the cancel button as well, because why not? And I have other symbols in here just without the button. And yeah, I cannot cancel this one. And if I switch my my theme with the light color, I'm gonna show like this, with the same blue, but in the right background and so on. And basically like that. And if I use the old version, I'm gonna work with the version 19, 2021, and so on. Gonna show in this gray background and with this green progress bar. So, and the rest gonna be the same. Basically like this. It's totally open source, and you can take a look in the GitHub repository or the package in the NuGet. Basically like this. Let's show. Have some information. Basically I can use this code to run a simple progress bar with many elements, or in a loop like this. And I have the other examples in here. This is the same, but more, you can add more configuration and so on. Here I have a simple command to test, and I add as well a way to show the balloon, but yeah, nobody care about that. So let's create a new project, and let's add this library in the project and create some examples. So I'm gonna use my plugin AppLoader to create the plugin and do all this stuff without the need to close my Revit. And let's create a new project in here. If you want more information about this plugin, link in the description. I'm gonna create a new project in here. Yep. Let's create, let's progress bar. Let's example, I guess. Good enough. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna add, let's create with, let's think. Let's create with all these versions. Yes, good enough. Okay, let's create that. And let's close this. Basically like this. Let's wait for my AppLoader to create the project and open Visual Studio. For me, here is the project. If I build that, gonna appear in here a new icon with the button or the plugin that I created right now. It's building, I guess. Let's go. Yeah, here's my plugin basically. So if I click, just gonna show the version of my Revit, nothing fancy. But yeah, let's make some change in here, and let's check out the package. So I'm gonna go in the app in here, have my Revo panel. I can, let's remove this, I don't want that, just that. It's the name of my panel, and the rest are good enough. So if I go in here, I'm gonna update that, nice. And let's go in my commands. Yeah, good enough. So first I'm gonna go in my project, gonna right click in here, gonna go in the manager NuGet. So we're gonna install the NuGet package, and gonna go in the browser. I'm gonna write here Revit status. Gonna find really easy here the package. You can see all the information. I'm gonna work with Revit 19 and so on, and I'm gonna install that. I'm gonna install in my project. Great, it's install, and I can go in here, or better, let's go in the GitHub. Let's copy this, let's go in here, and yeah, could be here. Gonna have some problems, but no worry about. Let's move to a new place, and let's add the reference here, right? Shortcuts, not this one. Yeah, let's add the using. So now I have the reference for my Revit progress bar utils. Basically gonna run a loop for 100 count basically, and gonna sleep for a second, and let's see what happened. It's not gonna appear in here, but let's register. Let's create a new push button. Here's the command Revit, I guess. Let's change the using in here. Name misplace. Yes, this one. Now I can find. Yeah. So this is gonna be run, I guess. And now I have a new button. So if I click here, gonna show my progress bar in there. Very nice. Basically gonna do that. Nice, is working fine. Let's create some more interesting stuff. Like let's create let me think. Let's create something with Revit. Let's yeah, let's create this. Let's copy some elements and see what happened. Let me think. Yeah, this is good enough. RT, let's create a transaction here. Let's put this inside that, I guess. Yes. Copy elements. Good. Remove that. Let's not think. Or element like this. I get this one, and here gonna create a element. Always forget transaction users. This one, yeah. Dot copy elements. Yes, I guess. I need the document. I need the element ID, and I need that distance, I guess. XYZ dot, let's create with some X multiply by the number I. I'm gonna add the +1 here, just to not create in the same place, because start with 0. I guess that's good enough. Yeah, that's it. I need to do some check. Let's add this in here. If not any, let's just do this. If have some elements, cannot select anything, gonna do nothing, I guess. Good, great. Let's go back here. Let's create, I guess, a wall. Yes, have a wall. And if I click in here and click that, I'm gonna create 100 walls, I guess. I guess I did in the wrong place, but it works. Yeah, let's move this to this. Yeah, this is better. Let's try again just to see everything works, I guess. I'm gonna create all the walls. Yeah, great. And let's try some little crazier. Let's add more walls. Yes. And probably gonna run for some time. Yeah. I guess it's working. So let's add a cancel button just to show. Probably with the cancel button, we're gonna need to do a more better approach. And yeah, after that, that's interesting. Interesting. Yeah, and all the walls in here. So yeah, too many walls, I guess. Let's go back in here and let's rename this to copy 100, and let's create one example with the cancel button, I guess. So, and move this in here, I guess. Gonna looks better. To the cancel options, I'm gonna use actually the using state. So like this. Don't need this one. Var is yes. Basically, this option gonna I can show here. Have some a lot of configuration, has the same approach. I can specifically add the number, the progress bar, set all this stuff, and I have the run as well. And basically like that, you can do everything with this. And it is using the disposable stuff. So when I start that, basically gonna add the progress bar in here, and when finished, I'm gonna remove automatically. So yeah, that's the idea. And if I do something like this, run, could copy this, I guess. Gonna work the same way. So yeah, let's try that. And I could add in here the cancel button to true. Yes. So if I go back in my Revit, I can run this. Can run this. I'm not selecting nothing. Yes, makes sense. Wrong button, but yeah, this one works. And if I create a new button in here, let's change this to copy. And this to copy. R. So it's gonna have cancel in there. And yeah, great. I go here. I have the button of the cancel. If I cancel this, gonna cancel and not cancel all the commands, because I just interrupt the copy, and I'm not rollbacking basically the transaction. Let's do that. Let's think, I guess. I could change this to something like this, I guess. It's gonna work the same. And I have the options in here. Yeah. If canceling, yes. I'm gonna add a transaction. That's rollback. Rollback, yes. Basically something like this. Yeah, it's not pretty, but it's gonna work. Great. Let's go back and try. Copy this. Let's cancel. And yeah, basically roll back all the copies. Oh, great. Now I could add a lot of more copies in here, like this. Just show. Copy this. It's copying everything. It's a little interesting that it's showing. Not expected that, but for rollback, I'm gonna roll back all the commands. Great. That's working. Yes. Why is that happen? Yeah, good. That's basically it, I guess. And I could have another option like this. Let's put the balloon just to show what balloon you choose. Yes. Let's show something like this. Yeah, let's show the name and select elements, something like that, maybe. Good. Yeah. And if I click in here without that, gonna show this pop-up inside Revit. That's the balloon. So yeah, basically that's it. I could explain other custom stuff, but basically have everything here so we can mess around. I adding some refresh stuff and other internal options, but yeah, you can mess with that around, but the basically is already is done. That I can show the progress bar and can cancel the stuff as well with the same idea. Yeah, can cancel that and roll back everything. And yeah, basically that's it. Let's just copy this one through here as well, just to finish this. And let's create a project. Let's move this one to that. Great. I'm gonna delete this. I don't need this anymore. And I can delete this one as well. Yeah. I'm gonna clean that. I'm actually should be using this. That's not gonna matter in this case. But yeah, basically that's the package. You can use as you like. You can like this project as well. Great. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you need more information about the app loader, a link in the description, or you can click here and go to the website. And thanks for watching, and bye.